seasonal winner, and we're going to decide that tonight. We're going to see who's hot, who's even hotter on quick thinking hurricane knowledge. Last time in 2019 for Hurricane Hotline, 5 questions, an increase in intensity and points. Cat 1 worth 1, up to Cat 4 worth 4. Cat 5 is double, 10 points, and this game is worth double.
No.
Alex has won 4 games. Mike has won 2. So if Mike wins tonight, that's worth double. And then I have a tiebreaker to decide the season. So, first question. Cat 1 question is, this year the Atlantic Basin had an overall above average year. Combined strength and duration of all tropical storms and hurricanes, about 20% above average, as measured by the quantity we call ACE, which stands for what?
Accumulated cyclone energy.
Very well done, Mike Bettis. 1 point. You got to be smart and quick. That's the key to the game.
I'm smart and slow.
We'll see. You've won a lot this year. Cat 2 question. Yes. This decade in the Atlantic Basin, which year had the most total number, 6, of major hurricanes?
2017?
Yes. Woo. See?
Very nice. Well done. Very nice.
All right, Cat 3 question.
Oh,
this year in the Atlantic Basin, there were 7 named storms that lasted a day or less, the most on record, contributing to the way above average of 12 total number of named storms, which was how many this year? Atlantic Basin, total number of named storms.
Hands on the phone. You're not going to answer it?
You're not going to answer it? It's a multiple of 6. I gotta give it to Mike.
Yes.
Cat 4, it's 4-2. All right, Cat 4 question. This decade in the Atlantic Basin had how many total hurricanes? 62?
Oh my God.
72? Or 82?
Total hurricanes?
Yeah, for the whole decade. 62 would be about average every year. 72 would be more than average. 82 would be way above average.
I'm just gonna go for it. 82.
No, it was 72. It was above average, but not that far. Okay, the Cat 5 question will decide this game.
Yes, it will.
Mike, if you get the Cat 5 question, then I have to break the seasonal tie.
Okay.
Cat 5. Every year in this decade had at least 1 major hurricane somewhere in the Atlantic Basin, except for 0 in what year? What year went kind of quiet?
Major hurricane?
No major hurricanes.
I think no.
Cat 5 questions are the best.
I think.
It was before 2016. It's been busy since then. Before 2016.
I have one I want to guess.
I want to guess too. You want to say it at the same time?
One of you, I gotta pick one.
I know, I just gotta go for it. 2015.
No, it was 2013. Joaquin was in 2015. Alex wins the game, and she's the seasonal Hurricane Hotline Champion.
Thank you, everyone.
Well done. Well done.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you for listening.
That was a stressful season of Hurricane Hotline.
I'm so sweaty.
Were you gonna guess?
I was going to guess 2013 because that was my first year at the Weather Channel, and I was like,
so you would have gotten it right.
There was one, so I kind of wanted us to yell at the same time. So
I do have an idea. I have an idea for a winter game we could play.
Oh.
Can my heart handle it?
I'll let you know later. I got ideas.
For all of us, thanks for watching.
Have a great night. Remember, together we know more.